Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on this hairstyle right here. This is a chic low pony and I am obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. This video is sponsored by Aveda. I absolutely love all Aveda's products. They are so amazing, they smell so good, and they work amazing. I love them. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this hairstyle, then keep watching. So I'm starting off this hairstyle by applying the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. This product is so amazing because it's a multitasking formula. It does so many things. So it's a detangler and a leave-in treatment, but not only that, it also preps your style and it's a heat protectant for up to 450 degrees. I also love that it's 97% naturally derived. This stuff does so many amazing things and I use it every time I get out of the shower. So now you can see I'm brushing my hair with my favorite brush. It's the Aveda wooden brush. It's so lightweight and it brushes through my hair better than any brush I've ever tried. I'm not even kidding. Now I'm blow drying my hair so that it will be ready for the hairstyle. Okay, so now I'm middle parting my hair and you want it to be a very sharp and precise middle part. So now I'm just kind of smoothing out the sides and tucking them behind my ears. You want this look to be very, precise and sleek because it is a chic look. So now I'm just taking the crown of my head and I'm going to tease that. And to help tease, I'm going to use the Aveda Air Control Hairspray, which is such an amazing hairspray. I love it. It's very light and airy, which helps with the tease. And then I'm just kind of smoothing it out. Now I'm using the Control Force Firm Hold Hairspray to really sleek down the front because I do have some flyaways that will just go crazy. You want the front to be very sleek. So this stuff makes it not move at all, but it's not crunchy at all. It's like the best firm hold hairspray I've ever used. So now I'm just kind of smoothing out my hair and making sure everything is, sleek and smooth. Now I'm just taking my hair and just placing it into a ponytail. So just kind of smooth it out with a brush and make sure every little piece is back in the pony and then secure it. And then you're going to take your fingers and just pull out the bump just to give more volume. Then I applied some chic black earrings. And now I'm applying this big, huge bow. So I'm just kind of securing that. It's a barrette, so it's very easy to place. And there we go. I love this hairstyle so much. I think it is so cute. Oh, I'm just obsessed with it. So now I'm just taking the pony. I'm just teasing that a little bit to give some volume. And that is it, you guys. That is the hairstyle. It is so easy. I love it so much. So that is it. That is the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I honestly am obsessed with all their products. And I use this hairspray today, so check that out. It really does work really good for especially this hairstyle because it keeps the hair down and slick and it's not crunchy or crispy at all, but it keeps it down. I don't know how they did it. So check out their website and I will see you guys later. Bye.